Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie, and we are going to go on Barnstormer. It's here at the top of the hill next to the animal farm that doesn't have animals right now. All good. We'll bring you a point of view. It's supposed to be the dueling daredevils entrance. It's kind of got a little throw back and forth, and join us. We'll see what it looks like.
Go ahead and take your seats, and both of those seats up. Then raise your hands as we check.
Is there anybody on 24? I guess I'll sit here.
We're standing at the number.
Okay. A minute. Oh, they push it down, I guess. They must push it down.
It's gotta like lock in, I would think.
Yeah. I'm in it.
Ooh, that's like right on my hip.
I am in it. Barnstormer. We got a good breeze today. This is going to be a breezy one. Windy, windy.
Definitely will be.
Right in the mountains. This is really tucked back, so that you could really miss this ride, unless you try to walk up towards what you think is the petting zoo.
It's definitely hidden, that's for sure.
Maybe it's seasonal. They only have the animals out during certain times of year. I'm not sure on that.
I mean, that area looks like it could have animals.
Yeah, I think so. Like the little goats.
Maybe it's just like a summer thing.
Hard to say.
Spring, summer.
They probably move them out for the dead of winter and bring them back.
Yeah.
I guess we're clear, Becky.
All clear.
Here we go, everybody. What do you think it is? 110 feet? 125 feet?
This is 110 feet?
I don't know. I'm just taking a guess. Probably 100 feet, maybe?
I have no idea. I was going to go with 80.
Usually these big swing rides are close to 100 foot. Oh boy. Hope I don't toss my cookies.
Why?
Let's hope I don't toss my cookies after this.
I hope not either.
I do. I usually do okay. Oh man. Woo! Oh lordy. Oh!
Oh man.
Oh! Into space. Oh, that's pushing us. Woo! Woo!
Oh my god.
Oh, into the stars.
And we're coming to a slowdown.
Woo! There she goes. Yeah, that one big pop is really up there.
The bounce.
We're like beyond the sun. So.
Beyond the sun.
Yeah. On the view, you know. If the camera's looking at the sun, it's gonna be real bright.
Push down, pull up on your restraints. Pick up your loose articles, exit to the side gate, and you
All right.
have a fantastic day. Here's Dollywood.
Thank you. All right, just coming off of Barnstormer, what'd you think?
It was fun. It had, when it really got going, had some like air time there at the top, and then you go backwards, the same thing, facing face down there. But yeah, definitely a fun ride.
I had a great time on the ride that last. When it really gets to the tippy top, you're really just staring all the way up at the sky. Same thing, face down. It pushes you 45 miles an hour. The sign says in a little bit over 80 feet, so not quite up to 100 feet on that one, but it's at the top of the hill. It's really windy up here, but we had a great ride. Thanks for sticking with us this long. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Big thank you to all our fellow travelers, loyal subscribers, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.